and welcome to Corinthian Estate, a residence where timeless European artistry meets Southern elegance. Located in the heart of Brentwood, Tennessee, this distinguished property stands as a testament to refined taste and architectural elegance. Set amid more than 2.5 acres, this estate's stately presence commands attention. Framed by lush greenery, handcrafted stonework, and impeccable symmetry. Inside, the tone is immediately set for elegance, with this grand entryway welcoming you. With soaring ceilings, intricate crown moldings, and a chandelier that cast a warm glow upon polished marble floors. The main living area offers both scale and serenity, where sunlight pours in, highlighting exquisite architectural detail. The space was designed for gatherings and perfected for comfort. At the heart of the home lies the chef's kitchen, elegantly appointed with marble surfaces, professional-grade appliances, and custom cabinetry. The adjoining breakfast room and formal dining area offer settings as refined as the meals they inspire. With 6 bedrooms, 8 full, and 4 half baths, each space is a retreat of its own. The primary suite evokes the feel of a private resort, complete with a tranquil sitting area, spa-inspired bath, and panoramic views of the estate grounds. Every element and every finish have been hand-selected and masterfully executed. From coffered ceilings to crystal chandeliers, Corinthian Estate embodies the art of true craftsmanship. The estate was designed for both luxury and livability. It features a spacious in-law suite and a dedicated maid's quarters, each with its own private kitchen, perfect for multi-generational living or extended guests. A 4-car garage offers ample space for vehicles and storage, while modern conveniences include dual central vacuum systems, a circulating hot water setup, and an elevator providing effortless access to every level. Beyond the walls, the grounds unfold into a private oasis, reminiscent of a European palace. Graceful Corinthian columns frame sweeping stone terraces, while manicured gardens and a heated, saltwater resort-style pool create a setting worthy of grandeur. From its stately Corinthian columns to its graceful symmetry, this estate embodies the essence of the name it bears. Celebrated for its beauty, balance, and artistry. Corinthian Estate, a timeless expression of luxury and distinction.